The desi method of ghee preparation. The desi method of ghee preparation is a traditional Indian technique that has been used for centuries. Ingredients: unsalted butter or cream. Traditionally, ghee is made from buffalo or cow milk cream. Equipment: heavy cotton pan, ladle or spoon, strainer or cheesecloth, clean, dry jar for storage. Let's discuss the steps in desi method of ghee preparation. First step is collecting cream. Traditionally, ghee is made from the cream that is collected over several days. The cream is skimmed off the top of boiled and cooled milk and stored in the refrigerator until a sufficient quantity accumulated. Next step is to make butter. The collected cream is churned to separate the butter from the buttermilk. This can be done using a traditional wooden churner Bologna or an electric mixer. The butter is collected and the buttermilk is drained off. Next step is to clarifying butter. Place the butter in a heavy cotton pan. Heat it on a low flame to melt the butter. The butter will start to separate into 3 layers: foam on top, clarified butter in the middle, and milk solids at the bottom. Cooking the butter is the next step. Continue to simmer the butter on low heat. The foam on the surface will start to evaporate, and the milk solids will begin to settle at the bottom of the pan and turn golden brown. This process can take anywhere from 20 to 30 minutes. The key is to cook the butter until it becomes a clear, golden liquid and the milk solids turn a light brown color, giving off a nutty aroma. Be careful not to burn the milk solids. Straining the ghee. Once the ghee is ready, remove it from the heat and let it cool slightly. Strain the ghee through a strainer or cheesecloth into a clean, dry jar to remove the milk solids. Let the ghee cool completely before sealing the jar. Final step is the storage. Store the ghee in an airtight container. It can be kept at room temperature for several months or refrigerated for longer shelf life. Thanks for watching. Comment the videos you need and subscribe for more.